A pet bowl holds food for a pet. Pet bowl, pet bowl, clean food for your pet. A leash helps keep a pet close and safe outdoors. Leash, leash, hold gently and walk together.
A collar is worn safely around a pet's neck.
Collar, collar.
Collar, comfortable and secure.
A pet bed gives an animal a comfortable place to rest. Pet bed, pet bed, soft and cozy.
A toy bone gives a dog something safe to chew and play with.
Toy bone.
Toy bone, chew and play safely.
A cat tree gives a cat places to climb, rest, and scratch. Cat tree.
Cat tree, climb and relax.
A fish tank is a home for pet fish. Fish tank. Fish tank, clean water for fish. A pet brush helps keep an animal's fur neat. Pet brush. Pet brush, brush softly and gently. A doghouse gives a dog shelter outdoors. Doghouse. Doghouse, shade and shelter.
A bird cage is a safe home for some pet birds.
Bird cage.
Bird cage, clean and spacious. A litter box is where a cat goes to the toilet.
Litter box.
Litter box, keep it clean.
A scratching post gives a cat a safe place to scratch. Scratching post. Scratching post, scratch here safely. A pet carrier helps transport an animal safely. Pet carrier. Pet carrier, safe travel for pets.
A water bowl holds fresh water for a pet. Water bowl. Water bowl, fresh water every day.
A chew toy gives a pet something suitable to chew. Chew toy. Chew toy, choose the right size. A cat toy helps a cat play and exercise. Cat toy. Cat toy, play gently together. A pet blanket keeps an animal warm and comfortable. Pet blanket. Pet blanket, warm and clean.
Pet shampoo is made for safely washing an animal's fur.
Pet shampoo.
Pet shampoo, use pet-safe products. A nail clipper trims a pet's nails with adult care.
Nail clipper. Nail clipper, trained adults only.
A poop bag helps an adult clean up after a pet.
Poop bag.
Poop bag, keep the park clean.
A pet towel helps dry an animal after washing. Pet towel. Pet towel, pat the fur gently.
An aquarium filter helps keep fish tank water clean.
Aquarium filter.
Aquarium filter, clean water for fish. A bird perch gives a bird a place to stand and rest.
Bird perch.
Bird perch, stand and rest. A hamster wheel gives a hamster a place to exercise.
Hamster wheel.
Hamster wheel, run and exercise.
A rabbit hutch provides shelter and connects to a safe exercise area. Rabbit hutch.
Rabbit hutch, shelter and space. A pet gate keeps an animal away from unsafe areas.
Pet gate.
Pet gate, close it securely. A food scoop measures the right amount of pet food. Food scoop. Food scoop, measure the portion. A treat jar stores small rewards for a pet. Treat jar. Treat jar, give only a little. A pet ID tag helps identify a pet. Pet ID tag. Pet ID tag, identify your pet. A pet stroller can carry a small pet that needs help traveling.
Pet stroller.
Pet stroller, move slowly and safely.